Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Amanda and I do videos about my real life and provide tips and advice, so feel free to hit that subscribe button if you have not already and that notification bell so that you can get notified next time I upload a video. And today I want to do a Tote try-on haul slash unboxing to show what these clothes look like from my petite perspective. And so even if you're not petite, feel free to continue watching just to see what I've got. This is my first official Tote box since the free trial. So this is where I get 5 clothing items and 3 accessories to use for a whole month. So I'm super excited about that. And I actually got an email saying I got 2 free bonus items for my first 2 boxes. So I actually have 7 clothing items to share with you and 3 accessories. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, please continue to keep watching. So the first item, which might not surprise you, is actually this sweater that I am wearing. This is from French Connection and I got it in a size extra small. And it fits pretty well, it's comfortable, and I think in the photos it shows that the neck should be like this, but because I'm so small, I rolled it up and made it into kind of a regular turtleneck, kind of. And the length is really good on me for the sleeves and the overall length. I like to tuck it into my jeans and in the front, and it works perfectly well. So I'm excited for this. This came in time perfectly for the rain that we just randomly started having. So I'm glad I got a long sleeve item in this box. The next item that I got is from Octavia, and it is this lace cami, and I love this print. It is perfect for spring, and then it's got lace detail in the front, and then the back has a tie, so you can kind of adjust it as well, and it's pretty open back. It's just got like this lace racer back type of thing going on. It is actually very long on me because my torso is small as well, on top of me just being very short. I'm 5 feet for reference, and so I kind of have to tuck it in all the way. I could try leaving the back untucked, but it's just very long in general, so I kind of prefer it fully tucked in. And also you can't really wear a regular bra with it because the back shows, so here I'm wearing a regular bra because I'm too lazy to change out of it. But this is just to show where a regular bra might fall if you do wear this. I probably recommend like stickies, but sometimes I just go with a regular bra and just commit to wearing a cardigan on top of it so that I don't have to wear stickies. So whichever works for you, but that's kind of how I will probably style it. The next top is by Camuto, and it is this print tank top, and it's V-neck, and this is very different for me. I just wanted to try something different that I probably wouldn't purchase myself. And I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of got like a little layer going on here in the front. This one is also very long on me. This is also an extra small, but I would probably have to tuck it in at least in the front and possibly in the back as well because the back is longer than the front. This is definitely something I wouldn't purchase for myself, but just to rent, I like it because it's different. It's a fun print, which I usually don't even wear prints, so these 2 different tank tops are pretty out there for me. And it's kind of see-through, so you would have to wear a nude bra underneath. So the next 2 items are the same item but in different colors, and it is this midi dress. So I got it in black and also gray. Huge surprise. But they're basically mock neck midi dresses, and I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing, but on me, because I'm so short, they are very close to maxi dresses, which I'm not mad about at all. So these are both in size extra small, and I feel like the gray one actually fits better than the black one. The black one, the neckline and the sleeves are more loose, and I feel like they are a little bit more stretched out, whereas the gray fits a little bit better. It's a little tighter, and so I like both of them. I feel like you can kind of see underwear lines depending on what type of underwear you're wearing, because the material is a little bit thinner, because my stomach like definitely shows like any trace of food baby at all. So it's definitely on the thinner fabric side, but I like the length, I like the slits, and I feel like paired with like sandals and a jean jacket or something like that, it'd be really cute, but I definitely feel like the black is more stretched out from use. But overall, I really like it, and these are both an extra small, and they're very cute and casual, perfect for spring or summer. But also for the gray, I feel like darker underwear might be able to see through or just like kind of show that there's something darker going on underneath, so just keep that in mind. I think you can possibly get away with wearing a regular bra, but it comes close because of the sleevelessness of it, so either like a halter bra might be better, but you could maybe pull off a regular bra. Like I said, I got a bonus box which included 2 extra clothing items, so I'll go through those next. So the first items were more like for work, and so I kind of want to focus these extra items for weekend casual wear. So this first item is a Calvin Klein t-shirt, just a basic logo tee that's in light pink, and I thought this was perfect for just basic weekends and casual wear. The only thing is that I feel like the neckline is like a little stretched out and like awkward. Actually, it's like really stretched out and awkward, so you can kind of see at the top. I'm not a huge fan, I just feel like it's maybe just been stretched out, but overall the t-shirt's okay. I would just probably tuck in the front, and that was in an extra small as well. And then if you saw my Instagram stories, you probably saw this item, but this is a Nike sweatshirt, and it just has the Nike logo on it, and it's in a size extra small. But unfortunately it looked a lot more fitted on the model in the photo, and I didn't check for measurements, but this item is actually super long on me. It looks almost like a dress, or I could almost pull it off as a dress, or it might just become a nightgown or like a PJ sweater basically at this point, because it's just like so unbelievably long on me and it just looks ridiculous. But it's still pretty comfy. It's a little bit thinner, but it's still comfy on the inside, like kind of like a fleece material, and it works for home wear at least. So yeah, that's what I'll use it for probably. So I'm glad I got this as an extra and not part of the actual original tote. Now moving on to accessories. So again, like the last box, I got all necklaces, and so this time I was able to get 3, which I'm really excited about. The first one is from Gorjana, and it is this pretty gold detailed squiggly. They call it the Waverly Necklace. It kind of reminds me of just like a curved branch, and it's got a little bit of texture to it, as you can see, but I just thought this was a very pretty basic necklace to wear, and it's a little bit different. So this necklace is from Camilla, and this is like a light bluish, light turquoise stone, which is really pretty. I thought this would bring some color to some of my basic tops, so I think this is really pretty, and it's also gold as well. And then last but not least, but I'm really excited about this one. This is by Summer and Sage, and it is a palm leaf, and I just thought this was really cute. I love anything that has to do with tropical or Hawaiian type things, and this was just really pretty, and it's all in gold, and I'm really excited to wear this one. So that is all the items. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you liked seeing me try them on, actually on camera, so that you can see the fit on me. For reference, I will put my sizes down in the description box below. I hope this video helped you see what types of pieces are available at La Tote. If you are interested in getting a free trial box, please use my referral link down in the description box below, and that gives you a free box of, I believe, 3 clothing items and 2 accessories to try for 14 days, and I enjoyed my free trial, so I hope you try it out. If you liked this video or this video helped you, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this. I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!